or use your forward and back arrows. In this lab, you will complete the tasks listed on your screen. In this first task, you will create and configure a management group. In the Azure portal, search for and select Management Groups. Review the message stating you do not have the necessary permissions to access the root management group. To set up the permissions, first navigate to Azure Active Directory. Scroll down the left pane. Select Scroll down to the section labeled Access Management for Azure Resources. Click Yes and save the change. Navigate back to Management Groups. Next, click Start. Refresh the page. Click Create and create a new management group. Click the new management group. Next, click Subscriptions. Click Add and then save the change. Next, click the subscription name. Copy the subscription ID. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you'll create a definition of a custom role-based access control, or RBAC role, in Azure. Navigate to File Explorer. This JSON file contains a custom role definition. Open the file in Notepad. Replace the subscription ID placeholder with the subscription ID you copied earlier and save the change. Close the Notepad and File Explorer windows. Next, open Azure Cloud Shell, and you have no storage mounted for this subscription. Click Show and provide the required information, and then select Create Storage. In the toolbar of the Cloud Shell pane, click the Upload Download Files button. Upload the JSON file with the custom role definition into the Cloud Shell home directory. Next, run the following command to create the custom role definition. Close the Cloud Shell pane. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you'll create an Azure Active Directory user, assign the RBAC role you created in the previous task to that user, and verify that that user can perform the task specified in the RBAC role definition. Follow the prompts to complete this task. In the Azure portal, search for and select Azure Active Directory. Click Users. Click New User, and then select Create New User. Scroll down. Provide the user's information. Click Create. Refresh the page, and then copy the user principal name. Next, navigate to Management Groups. Click the management group you created. In the left pane, select Click Add, and then select Add Role Assignment. Search for and then select the Support Request Contributor custom role. Proceed to the next step. Click Select Members. Search for and select the user you just created. Click Next. Review the configuration, and then assign the Support Request Contributor role to the newly created user account. Next, click the Microsoft Edge icon and open a new Sign in to the Azure. Paste in the user principal name you copied earlier. Search for and select Resource Groups. Verify that the user can see all Verify that the user cannot see any resources. Next, search for and select. Click Create a Support Request. Provide a summary of the issue. Next, specify the issue type and quota type.
The subscription you
were using appears in the subscription drop-down list, indicating that your account has the permissions required. This interactive lab simulation is now complete.